You have probably seen hundreds of videos talking how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. In this video, I will be trying the method myself and I will see whether I do make money or not. So first of all, let me tell you that I will not be using the method called uploading the videos from Creative Commons. I will simply be picking up the YouTubers and I am going to simply give them some kind of service. So I will be following these two rules to find any YouTuber. First of all, they should be making money other than the ad revenue, and the second thing is they should not have a team. So first of all, I'm going to simply just search over here for affiliate marketing, because if someone is making video about affiliate marketing and showing the proof, that means they are already making money with affiliate marketing and they have another income source than AdSense. And let me tell you, if a person is only having income from AdSense, so probably he will be editing his YouTube videos himself and he is not having a lot of work to do. But if someone is making money from other things as well, he's having a lot of things like writing emails, building funnels, editing videos, managing Facebook groups and so much more. I would prefer if I can find a YouTuber who is not having a team, but it's really hard. So as you can see, first of all, Ankur Agarwal comes over here and probably this guy runs a lot of ads and he's also having the team. And then comes the Saurabh Bhatnagar, he's also having the team. Then Franklin Hatchett, he's also having team. Russell also having team. All these guys have team, and even the Chat Ballot are having the virtual assistant. So we are going to simply just start picking the YouTubers who are making money. So we are going to start from the Ankur Agarwal. And also let me tell you, when you are going to try this method and you want to actually make money, then you should be reaching out to like 20-30 YouTubers every single day. Let's say if you are going to reach out to 100 YouTubers, at least one is going to agree and will give you some work. That's what your spirit should be. But I don't want to build this whole business. This is going to be a part of challenge, so I don't want to annoy any YouTubers. So I will be simply just finding 10 YouTubers and I will be doing the work for them, and probably I can find at least one client from there. If not, then I will find 10 more YouTubers, and this way I will keep on doing this until I win. So the first YouTuber that we are picking is the Ankur Agarwal, and you can also search for YouTubers to you watch and they actually make money. For example, I did this with a lot of things like Ryan Hildreth. This guy makes money, and also the Marisa, and also the Siddharth Rajshekhar. And probably the best thing about this is these guys are actually making money. Then comes the Jonathan. This guy also makes money with affiliate marketing. And then comes the Jay. Probably now the Jay's business is literally just exploding, so I will also be reaching out to him. Probably he can give me some work like managing Facebook group. The third way to find the YouTubers is actually simply just search about the thing that you have a skill. For example, I can do email marketing. I can do everything into email marketing. So I just searched the guys who are into email marketing, so I can send them my service. The fourth thing you can do to find the YouTubers, you can actually search for a review of a product. Probably as these guys promoting the traffic secrets, these guys are even giving the bonuses, they have funnels, all these things. So they have a lot of work to do, and there comes the chance of getting more and more work. So I have just found my 10 YouTube channels to whom I am going to sell my service. The first one is Ankur Agarwal, the second one is Deepak, and the third one is Money is Awesome. The fifth one is Anant from AVS Tech, and the sixth one is Amit Mishra from Triotech, and the seventh one is the Jason, 8th is Marisa, 9th is Siddharth Rajshekhar, 10th is Ryan Hildreth, and 11th is the Passive Income Lifestyle Jonathan, and the 12th is the Jay Frontman. So I am going to reach out to the 12 YouTubers, but what I am going to message them, first of all, I will be giving them the value. That's how I am going to get the service. So as you can see, I have already written the script, and you can also copy the script from the description. So as you can see, first of all, I am going to simply tell them hello and then their name, and then I will simply tell them from where do I found that, because they do have the curiosity from where did this guy came. Then I am going to simply just tell them that I want to work for you for free for one time. That means I'm going to give them some kind of trial, like if they are going to opt me for any service, I'm going to simply just check whether I can meet their standards or not, and that way I am also going to work for them for free. That means giving the value. I will be already above the 90% who are just telling, hey, just give me this much money, I will do this work for you. And then I am going to simply just tell them, if I meet your standards, we can set the pricing. And you might be thinking that I should also write down over here like I will do the work for you for less than the market price. Never sell yourself short. Just remember this. The more you are going to have a good attitude, if your work is good, then charge enough. That's one of the things that you need to remember. And these guys all respect your talent. These guys all respect your skill, and that's why they are willing to pay you high if you are going to deliver them a valuable work. And then I just simply tell them that if I meet your standards, you can simply reply me, and then I simply just tell them about all of the skills that I can do them. I can do funnel building, I can do video editing, I can do virtual assistant, YouTube thumbnails, I can create the social media post for them as well, and I can do complete email marketing for them, and also I can moderate the Facebook groups. And I also told them if there is anything they can let me know, maybe I am aware about that skill. So now how I am going to reach out to these guys? First of all, there are lots of ways to reach out to these guys. The first thing you can actually do, you are going to see over here, this guy has given his Twitter and his Instagram, and probably every single YouTuber is having one weak point. So as you can see, Ankur Agarwal is having 300,000 subscribers, but probably he is not having the following on all of the social media. You are going to find at least one place where he's having the less following, and there you go to message him. But I'm going to simply just go into the about section. It's kind of like the business query, so I will simply be reaching out to him via email. So you can simply do this with every single guy. You can simply go to their about section and then you can find their email address. So now let me just grab all of the 10 email addresses, and I'm going to then send them an email. And also, if you are going to message to the 100 YouTubers, there is a really simple thing you can do. You can simply use a Chrome extension that can merge all your emails. You can use something like Gmail or whatever. You can simply search it on the Google. The best thing about this is, as this template, if I'm going to simply email all these guys separately, I have to change their name and I have to separately email every single guy. But what you can do, you can simply upload that template and they are going to change the name automatically. So that's one of the things you can do, and also this will help you to track the email open rates, click rates, and all these things. So you will come to know whether these guys actually want to work with you or not. Maybe 5 of the YouTubers have opened your email but they don't reply. That means they are not interested in working with you. So when I was just collecting the email addresses, I found 2 issues. The first issue is that a lot of people were not having the email addresses into their about section. So no worries, we can simply reach out to their website or WhatsApp, or there are a lot of methods you can simply reach out to. And the second issue that I have found over here is you can only get 5 email addresses every single day from one account. So either you can create 2-3 accounts if you want to get more email addresses, or you can simply wait for tomorrow. So I'm just going to grab 5 more email addresses with my another account. So after using another account, I found that a lot of YouTubers don't even have the email address into their about section. So I just explored more and more YouTubers, like 4 or 5 YouTubers, but finally I was only able to grab something like about 8 email addresses. So no worries that I am going to send another 2 guys the message on the Facebook. As you can see that I have already scheduled the emails to all of those guys whose email address I have gotten, because when you are sending the email from the Gmail, you are going to send lots of emails together, then they may land in the spam. So I just scheduled it for like half an hour, something like that, and they will keep on going. I even installed this something like Gmail, whatever it is extension, but I wasn't able to use it. I think that I'm only going to send to the 10 YouTubers, so I just did it manually. But if you want, you can surely use this. And to rest of the 2 guys, I am going to simply shoot a message on the Facebook. Also, I did a little change in the script over here. So as you can see, I wrote a subject line like "want to work for free with you." You might be thinking that's clickbaity, but that's actually not, because I also changed over here, I want to work for you for free, because when I'm going to add something like one time, that's a sales pitch. I'm just trying to sell them something. But after that, I simply tell them that after that, if you think that we can meet your standards, that then we can work. So he just simply understand that this guy is first giving me value. So that's both things are going. This is not looking like sales pitch, because I am also going to give a value in the front. So now what I will do, I am going to now wait for like 2-3 days. If nobody is going to respond, the first thing I will do, I will simply just send message on Instagram, Facebook to these 10 YouTubers, and if they are not going to reply within just 1 day, then I'm going to pick 10 more YouTubers and I'm going to email them. I'm going to shoot them message on Facebook. I'm going to do it on Instagram, stuff like that. I'm going to just simply reach out to them everywhere. So comment below if you want to see more case study like this, and also make sure to subscribe, because part 2 is coming very much soon. And also share this video with others. This is amazing case study. Maybe it can help someone to live their dream life, or maybe it can help them to quit their job. Make sure to subscribe. Second part is coming soon.